Guess what, everyone? Today, we're going on a cruise.
Test. 5, 4, 3, 2.
My name's Gabe. Alright, everybody, this is our room, the crib. So this is our beds over here. We got one full bed right here and one full bed right here. But now this is a 4-bedroom room. You might be wondering, where are the beds? Are they under the bed? Are they in the bathroom? No, they're right here, baby. The way you open it up is you push this over, and now you're sleeping right on top of them. Now you might be wondering, is this gonna fall and kill the person under? We hope not. Now follow me this way. Now we have the life jackets on top, and you got a little extra closet space. Put your shoes. Alright. I don't know what else to say. So this is your bathroom right here. Full size shower. Look at that. You can't get any better than that. You got your toilet right here. Look at that button, so fancy. And then you got your soap, and look at this. This is very cost efficient. Instead of having a soap holder, they built it into the sink. Genius. And your toilet paper. We also have a VIP only in this room, not in any other room on the cruise ship. Mini fridge.
I don't think it's on.
Our warm mini fridge.
It is day 2 here on the cruise. We're here for 10 total days. Now, funny story, last time we were on a cruise, I was cutting weight for my first amateur fight, and I spent the entire cruise only eating Caesar salad and spending 3/4 of the cruise at the gym. So this is gonna be a completely different story. We're gonna go check out some activities to do on the boat, and then tonight we're gonna be heading out to some fine dining.
We're going to fine dining, fancy dining. As you guys can see, I have the vest on, which you've never seen before. So hopefully the food's pretty good. This is a fruit cup with mixed fruit. Delicious. Sorry, fruit salad. My body has been damaged this week for just constant eating of terrible foods in my body. This is very delicious.
It's only day 2.
Alright, here we go. I got a beef tenderloin right here. It's actually included in the cruise, so it doesn't cost anything extra.
Yeah, I'm the only one who got it. You're gonna quiz me on my favorite movie?
Juicy, salty, very soft, very tender, very good. What is this right here? A biscuit?
Potatoes.
Ah. Alright, up next, the fried potatoes. Or frites, that's what I meant. That was actually really good. It was actually really crunchy.
I got the curry shrimp with rice and this hard flour tortilla thing. And the leaf fell off. This one actually looks pretty good.
I thought you were gonna have me a package. It only comes in 1 pack.
That's actually hella good. It's not too spicy. It's weird. It's like the flavors all balance out with each other. I don't know how else to explain it. It's really good.
This blueberry cobbler right here, we had it earlier at the buffet, that's what we knew about it. Out of all the desserts I've had on this cruise, and I've had a ton, this might be my favorite one, definitely top 2.
So far.
Yeah, so far. Top 1. It's the best one. Yes. Fantastic. Busting. So good.
All right, we are currently in Skagway. Yep. We're about to go on a train ride that tours the entire town. Telling you, a Bigfoot can for sure live in these forests and those mountains, I swear.
That was my first time on a train, and honestly, I thought it was really cool. They had a lot of waterfalls, sites like that, but we're gonna go eat. They have some famous Klondike breads. We're gonna go check that out right now.
Wow. For comparison, here's my head.
Here's the Alaskan Doughboy right here. It's Alaskan fried bread. It's supposed to be really famous. I think it's called the Klondike Doughboy, actually. Take that back. Mmm. Tastes like a flat churro.
Yeah, a flat donut.
And it's really warm. They make it fresh.